Hello friends. If Mexico is known for anything automotively, it is the VW Beetle. Most families have had one at some point. Here I have 5 California-friendly Beetles. Each one can be titled and registered in California with no problem. Enjoy. Here we have a 1972 Beetle. The front of this car does have an older look with the smaller turn signals. Out back is a 1500cc engine, and of course it's a stick shift. It's said that the car is 80% original. The car is riding on 5 lug wheels, and there's an original looking radio installed with modern features. Up top you have a roof rack so you can have a little more luggage space. The glove box has been painted with a cityscape featuring this car. And under the dash you have a custom made wood storage area. The wood extends to make a center console complete with a cup holder. The car could benefit from a good detail, truly. Here we have a cute little 71 Beetle. Just like the previous car, this car utilizes the small turn signal lights, making it look older than it is. At the rear are the same medium-sized tail lights the US spec cars used. This car comes with its original invoice as the ownership document, so you can see where it has been all of its life. Considering it's a one-owner car, you won't have very far to look. For the year, this is a very clean car, especially for this price. Here we have a beautiful yellow Beetle. This one comes with its original invoice and its ownership document. You get a new battery, generator, shocks, and headliner. The car has been 90% restored. I think the turn signals have been switched up front to the larger units. The interior is gorgeous brown vinyl. Out back is a 1500cc engine. Special edition VW wheels have been fitted. You won't get more car for this price. What a beautiful, pretty little Beetle. This car has been restored and has antique auto plates. The car has been certified as being at least 80% original or restored. 1974 was the first year for the larger taillights, however it still used the turn signals on top of the fenders. After this, they moved the turn signals down into the bumper. This one also comes with its original 49-year-old invoice. The original radio is in place, so you know the wiring is intact. Here we have a clean little Bug. A lot of work has been done on this car. You will get the original invoice with it as well. The car has new paint, electrical system, shocks and bushings, distributor, spark plug wires, upholstery, and carpet. A lot of money has been spent on this one. The original radio is still in place. Remember, rust generally isn't an issue in Mexico, and this car is no exception. Every eye will be on you at every car show you go to. Thank you for looking at my Beetles. Many more are available from the 50s to the 90s. If you want to see more, please contact me.